Alright, we're here at Arducy doing some work today in beautiful Frankenmuth. I left my sawzall in some water. Not purposely, the water rose and was laying in it. It wouldn't even run before, and then I oiled it up with some nail gun oil. I used that on it. Now it's starting to move a bit faster. So we'll see what happens. I got the trigger zip tied so I don't have to hold on to it. It's getting faster. Anyways, I'm working on rebuilding this. Sawzall would be really handy right about now. But what's happening here is I got these boards on the fence too far into the ground. I didn't realize they were down that far. So when the ground freezes, it heaves and knocks the boards off and makes it look like crap. So that's what I'm working on today. Taking a break from Cali. I'm gonna go over there a little later though. I gotta do some measuring. So then gotta bring that house into the home stretch. Still going. It was going faster in the down position. I just might have to break down and get another sawzall. That's my favorite tool, you know. We got a car show in Frankenmuth today. I guess the big show is tomorrow, but they're showing them today. Ooh, a 74 Camaro. Deal. Here's my baby GTO. GTO.